let me show you how you can actually take pictures and videos with your E99 and E88 cameras. So the app you actually need is called this Wi-Fi Cam. So go on the Play Store and search for this app, Wi-Fi Cam, and make sure to download it. Then turn on your drone. Okay, so it will start to flash, and before we open the app, we actually need to go to the Wi-Fi settings. So this drone actually uses Wi-Fi. So, and in the Wi-Fi, this drone will create a new network, which we actually need to join. So simply click on it to join it. So, and wait a few seconds, it takes maybe a few seconds. Then for example, on Pixel phone, you can see I can go in more settings for that Wi-Fi network and make sure this auto connect is enabled. If you do not enable this, every time you start up this drone and the app, there will be a problem basically connecting to the app. So make sure you have that enabled. Then we can open the app and let it load. Okay, and then we can basically click start, and as you see, instantly the drone is actually connected over here, and we can actually take videos and pictures. So if you want to take a video, simply press this and we can start flying this drone using our remote, or actually we can even control it using our smartphone as well. So again, if you want to stop the video, you can press over here, and if you want to control it using smartphone, we can press this lock button over here, and as you see, it basically connected to the smartphone and the lights stopped flashing. So if the lights stop flashing, that means it's ready to be flied, and it will be ready basically. So we can, for example, start it up using the app here and also shut it down. So simply when you fly, click this to start the video recording, and the video recording will get saved on your phone basically. So, and if you want to also take a picture, you can also press this. So also pretty cool. And if you want to see all the pictures and videos, click that, and for example, we can open the videos here, and I have over here all the recordings of the videos I have done using this camera, and you can play it back as well. So overall, yep, this control using the smartphone app actually is really decent. Actually, in some parts it's even better than this original remote. So, and the video quality, when it comes to the video quality, I wouldn't say it's great. So they say it's like a 4K or 6K camera on these drones basically, but that's not true. It's like some kind of almost VGA camera. So, and like the resolution is, yeah, it's not 4K for sure, and the quality it's not there. But again, you have to consider the very cheap price these drones cost, and for that price still I think it's okay and provides excellent value for money. Anyway, good luck and happy flying.